Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. In this video, I will explain on Venn diagram. Okay, so we have here a Venn diagram of people who go by car, people who go by bicycle, and of course anything outside the circles will be people who go by neither car nor bicycle. Okay, so as you can see in this Venn diagram, it is represented by numbers, okay, not probability values. Okay, you can do it either way, by numbers or probability value. Okay, so if you are going to write it rigorously, you can either write n of c. Okay, c, which c representing people who go by car is the same as 280 plus 140, and that's 420. Okay, if you are going to represent it by using a probability value, then you will write the letter P. Probability of C is 420 over N. What is N? N is 280 plus 140 plus 220 plus 160. Okay, so these two makes 300, and then we have 520, 600, 800. So N is 800. So in order to find the probability of C is equal to 420 over 800, and that's 420 over 800, 0.525. Okay, let's do one more time. Number of people who go by bicycle. Okay, so you must consider everything inside these circles, and that's 140 plus 220, which is 360. Okay, once again, if you are going to write it as a probability value, then it will become 360 over 800, and that's 0.45. Okay, what about the value outside the circle? Okay, that value is actually number of C union B, but its complement, and that is 160, or in probability value, that will be 160 over 800, and that's 0.2. Okay, let's say we are going to redraw the Venn diagram, but this time by using probability value. Okay, but you must be careful, because actually you should find probability value for each numbers. Okay. So you can actually draw this. Okay, car, bicycle. And another thing, don't forget the rectangle outside the circle. Okay, we already have this value for outside the circle, which is 0.2. Okay, and then for this one you must find 280 over 800, and that's 0.35. So here is 0.35. Okay, what about 220 here? 220 over 800 is 0.275. Okay, here is 0.275. Okay, how can we find this value? Okay, what we can do is simply, this is actually probability of B intersect C. This is the same as 1 minus all other values. 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.35 minus 0.275, and that's 0.175. So the middle value here is 0.175, and you can check that 0.175 is the same as 140. Okay, the one inside, the one in the intersection region, this is the same as 140 over 800. Okay, you can check that using your calculator. Okay, so once again, you can represent your Venn diagram either using numbers or probability values.